Hey everybody, about 6 weeks ago I was told to stuff it. I was told to stuff it by Cooking with James. Well, it ain't like that. It was stuff something, stuff anything. So what I did for you today is I dug into my cookbooks. Lodge cast iron ink. And what I made for you today is a garlic top flank steak roulade right there. And it's a really good recipe. I liked it. The only thing is with this one, I did change it up a little bit. I added some mozzarella cheese to the inside, and that was about it. I basically kind of followed what they had to say in there. So I'm guessing since it was a tag, I'm supposed to tag 3 other channels. The only problem is I don't know how many other channels have been tagged and have done this. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk about 3 channels that I really like to watch. 3 channels that definitely deserve to have more subs than what they have. And just the fact that they'll have any more subs than what they have is a complete travesty and mockery. Yeah, I just shed a travesty and mockery. It's a travesty, a sham, and a mockery. First one is Cooking with CJ. Let me tell you what, he's a great cook. He just got himself a pit barrel cooker. He also has a little Blackstone, and he does Blackstone cooks. He does pit barrel cooks. He cooks inside. The guy's a jack of all trades. On Thursday nights, he also does a show. It's called The Hot Seat, where different people that have had 60 subs up into like people like Malcolm Reed have been on the hot seat, but that was when it was with Hobo Nickel Barbecue. Anyhow, so I'm gonna tag CJ. I don't know if he's actually been tagged in this, and I'm also gonna tag Cast Iron Skillet. It's a husband-wife team, really good. They do like everything. They cook outside, they cook inside, they make pastries, they make breads, they make all kinds of stuff. They're very entertaining, very energetic, and you also go check out Cast Iron Skillet. The last one, the third one, I've never tagged him before, and I don't know why I haven't, is Robert Roy. His name's Marion. Robert Roy, he does Blackstone Cooks live. Live! You know how hard that is? He sets his cameras up, and then at the end, you know, he has the people that are viewing, he says A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, which one you want for the thumbnail. And the guy, he makes all kinds of different dishes on his Blackstone. Really cool. So go check out Robert Roy. So those are the 3 channels I want to be tagging in this just stuff it challenge or stuff something challenge. So anyhow, this is the last I'm going to be talking. Let's get to the video.
Without